In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Webflow project, whether you're working on a team or just need a backup of your current work. Duplicating a project in Webflow can save you time and effort. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Webflow dashboard. This is your home base for managing all your projects, so make sure you're set up there. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll need to select the workspace where the project you want to duplicate resides. Workspaces in Webflow help organize your projects, especially if you're working on multiple endeavors or collaborating with others. With your workspace open, take a moment to locate the project you're planning to duplicate. Once you've spotted it, you'll notice 3 small dots situated on the project thumbnail. These dots are your key to accessing additional options for the project. Give them a click. Upon clicking these dots, you'll be presented with a menu of options. From this menu, you'll select the duplicate option. It's as simple as that. But just to ensure everything is set up the way you want it, a window will pop up next. This is your opportunity to fine-tune the duplication settings. The pop-up window will present you with various settings that can be copied over to the new duplicate. Think carefully about which settings are important for your duplicate to inherit from the original. Perhaps you want the same SEO configurations, or maybe the hosting settings. Go through the available options and choose those that best suit your needs. After you've made your selections, it's time for the final step. Simply click on the Duplicate Site button, and just like that, your new project will be created based on the settings you've chosen. Taking a moment to double-check your selections can save time later, ensuring that the duplicate site meets your expectations. Remember, this process not only duplicates the structure and design, but can also carry over essential settings, making it much easier to maintain consistency across projects. And that's it. You now have a duplicate of your Webflow project, ready for you to edit, backup, or share. This method can be a real lifesaver during collaborative projects or when experimenting with major design changes without affecting your original. Happy designing, and feel free to explore more options within Webflow to make the most of your duplicated project.